I am Maqsudur Rahman. This is the final demonstrations of the Millis Flying Fish project control method. I have changes some few things in here. Uh, First of all, the MPU 6050 IMU is mounted right now right on top of the pivot point, uh, as accurately as possible, parallel to the ground and according to the x-axis marking to the tail. And this gonna give us a kind of proper reading of the z-axis, and based on the z-axis we have designed the code to actually move that fin. So it depends on this. And another issue I was having was to I try to isolate this system from this cable using external battery pack, but it didn't work because I don't know why. Maybe what I think is it was causing the system to reset every time the servo is trying to move. The servo is a motor, and I think when it's turning, it's causing current spikes in the battery, and thus causing the overall system to drop voltage rapidly, since this is a small battery pack which forcing the Arduino board to reset. So I'm stuck with this cable, and I'm gonna continue the test with this cable on to power this stably. So let's have a look at my code. At first, when the system is powered on, so the it takes 200 samples from the steady state and move the servo fin to parallel with the body. And for this, I have my servo center is 70 degree. This is the angle which align the body with the fin pretty much straight. And here I have given some tuned PID gains because of this is a very delicate body, so it's causing resonance when the fin is trying to move, causing everything to shake and disrupt the readings of the MPU. So after multiple changes to this KP, I have successfully make it a more stable one. So let's get started with our test one, where it will, when it's turned on, it's come to the 0 degree like the straight, and then 10 degree to the right, and then go to minus 15 degree on the other side, and it will try to stay there for whenever we are disrupting the body, the fin will try to stay at 15. So let's see how it goes. So I'm gonna power this one up and see. It has to be very steady at this point because it's gonna take readings. So here it is in 0 degree, and then it's positive 10, and then it's gonna go back to minus 15. Here you can see. And whenever I am trying to disturb the body, it will try to stay at minus 15. Here you can see. So yeah, so the system is actually, I think it's working pretty much. So that's it. Thank you for watching.